uKarel, David Prinsloo noJohannes Nicholas Stassen bakuthokozela ukunikela ibheyili nangaphezulu kokuthi umbuso bowuphikisa ukuthi babheyiliswe. Laba babili baqalene necala lokunipahla lokulimaza kunye nokubetha ngehloso yokulimaza. Basolwa ngokubetha uThatho Lepinka esenzweni okusolwa bona ngisokuninana ngokubuchaba esithabathabeni sentolo ePumalanga yePitori umnyaka opheleleko. Ipholisa liphenyako lifakaza ukuthi amadoda la amalunga wesiqhema senthuthuthi esithweni izakhamuzi begodu bazame ukuphazamisa ubufakazi. Kodwa nanyana kunjalo uMakhastrada ongameli icaleli uthethe isiqunto sokwabheyilisa amadoda la ngonobangela wokuhlela kubufakazi obusekela insolo yezi.
The incident I've referred to, including the alleged deletion of the images of the incident from the video footage at the shop, occurred while we were in custody. The deletion was done by somebody else and not any one of you. And there is no indication that the person who deleted the images of the incident from the video footage was acting on your instructions.
Ikhotho labasolwa linganye ngelithi isehlakalo lesi asithindane nobuchaba bomuntu.
As a nation of the South Africa, we believe whereby if the two people, a black and a white people, are fighting, or a black person vice versa, fighting with the black person, automatically it's racism, for which is very bad. And the law took its course.
Kodwa nombono njalo akhange uhlale kuhle emndenini wendoda ekusolwa bona isahlelwe.
There are people who are afraid to testify when they are behind bars. Now he's releasing these two to go and harass those people who are already afraid. So it does not augur well for justice. The president has always spoken against racism, but it's clear that the judiciary is not willing to come on board to help the country fight this scourge of racism.
uMakhastrada uKarel Prinsloo noThatho bona bangaphazamisa ubufakazi namkha abofakazi. Uthi nabangathoma bathi babalekela ukulalela kwecala uzokubaphosta esitoksini bavalelwe. Ababilaba kulindleke bona babuye ekhotho ngomhla ka-11 kuTjhirhweni.